Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to talk about the POS system. It stands for point of sale system. This is very essential for the business. Okay, so the simple system, I believe I am created this complete entire system using AI. So this point of sale system I am developing using PHP. But the thing is this: you may be able to develop the system using AI, but the problem is occur when you developing the system. This system consists of all the functionality you will be able to say. But thing is, you must have a good knowledge of the programming languages. So okay, so then only you will be able to do this kind of a good system. Okay, otherwise you cannot. The thing is that, okay, first you have to hear this is the thing. Okay, so yeah, okay, so here you can see first here this system completely I have done using PHP. Okay, here the simple code, this all the code I will be able to understand it, how the codes works. If there are any problem, I can go inside this code, I can rectify the problem. Okay, you have a good enough knowledge to solve the problem when the problem is comes arrives. Okay, so that is the things you have must understand. Okay, this all the code I'll generate by AI, but if there any problem, I can go inside the code and I'll be able to adjust it. Okay, so that you must have a good knowledge. So this system, you can see now, if you are a I can add the product, okay, brand. So if you are there are many Samsung, Apple. If you will be able to add the new brand. Okay, so what is the brand you are going to add it? I'm going to add the LG brand. So whatever description you will be able to put it here. So this optional, just save it. So the brand is available here, added the active. After that, the related product. Okay, so I'm going to go to add that product, TV 000. Okay, LG. Okay, so that's code, anything in a code you can SU guess code, you can barcode, blah 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 blah. Okay, the SEQ 111, that's some code. Brand, so the LG brand we will be able to select. Category, I'm going to say these are the category we have listed. So you can list this cloth category or here home living or electronics. Okay, so the vendor, I'm going to get the vendor also, which vendor you're going to get. Okay, this is all vendor. This is a multi-vendor system. Okay, you can the supplier and as a selling. Okay, this is a multi-vendor system. I did it. So here that gram or kilogram, that box and everything. So that is a box related stuff. This is a TV. You if you like, you will be able to kilogram. Okay, so the whatever. Okay, you can measure the things. Okay, so I'm going to get this one. Purchase, I'm going to purchase it from 50,000, this TV. So this selling price is 1,000, the selling price. Okay, so tax, the quantity available is 100 quantity left. Okay, this is a low stock allot, meaning we will be able to put the low stock. This is a good thing. Once you once the TV is selling, sold, uh, if the amount below 10, the quantity below 10, it you will be able to get the notification from the system. That is very important stuff when you're doing the system. Okay, if it is a small amount of products available in your shop, you no need, this is not necessary. If you have a large number of product in your shop, this is necessary, you must implement this. Okay, so if it is a save the product, the product has been saved here. The product has been saved. This is C, of course. This is nothing but a barcode. Okay, this like this. Okay, so that now you will be able to this. If you want to edit, you can go to here and you will be able to edit this one. It's a barcode and everything's are there. So that I'm going to go to that purchase, that sales. Okay, this is sales. Okay, so that I'm going to, these are the things that this all clear. Okay, so that I'm going to what happen is this is the shops. What are the products available? Okay, some products. Okay, so what are the products? This is a TV is available. Okay, so I have a one only two products are there. Okay, if you go to the product list, these are two products are there. I'm going to put here all the products are listed. That's the good things. TV electronics, that electronics we have got the electronics here. This electronics there. Okay, so now I want a TV. This TV is available. It here TV is added. You can see the TV is added. This amount. Okay, if you want to, I need two TV. Here two TV amount has been added. That was something like that. Apple something like. If we added this item. This item has been added. Okay, this item is added. Okay, now I want to pay the amount. Simply, what's the amount you are going to pay? Here 4 lakhs. Okay, this is the balance amount. You can change the balance amount. Complete the sales. Here this complete the sales amount. So complete the sales. This is your this one. Pay received by the cash. Okay, so that cash. So the print receipt has been applied. This is the very best system. If you click, the print receipt has been released from the system. It's a simple point of sale system. How to do step by step. If you have any more functionality, if you added, you must have a knowledge. Okay, so if you click print, it has been printed, so I no need to continue this further, so I just cancel it. Okay, so I'm going to if you want to, if the system sales complete, you can go to new. You will be able to go to the new sales system. Okay, so these are the simple one. Everything you will be able to select. Okay, so this is a very good system. For the vendor, if you want to add the vendor details, is the vendor. If you want to add the new vendor, sales history, here you will be able to see the sales history. Today I am going to get the sales history. So you can go to that sales. Okay, the order details, everything you will be able to see. Simply order details. What are the orders are there? Reports. You will be able to see the reports as well. Okay, these are reports. Okay, here two orders. That's a okay. The server is here. So everything's are there. Daily backup. If you need a backup also, these are the backups are there. Okay, this everything are this everything I have included this system using it. This system we will be able to use in our shops. Okay, so this is the way we have to complete the system. So if you need this system, you just comment me. If you need a source code or everything else, I'll provide you. Thank you for watching.